Okay, I want to talk about a little bit about what I eat in a day. And the only reason why I'm saying what I eat in a day, because I hear it's so hard to get your vegetables in. And I can dig it, if you're not someone who likes to eat vegetables. And a lot of us really didn't grow up on eating vegetables. And when we did, it wasn't a lot of raw vegetables and it wasn't a lot of salads. But Dr. Goldner, I highly recommend her because she had lupus at 16, and so she healed herself just by eating stuff out of the grocery store. So we think we have to go to the doctors and pay all this money, but we don't. Just things in the grocery store will heal us. So I just want to show what I eat in a day. I feel wonderful, and I'm so excited because now my husband is eating the same way. And so then, since he's eating the same way that I eat now, I got a built-in chef. So let me show you what I eat in a day. So this is a salad that he made. And this salad, it may look like it's big, but I can probably eat almost this whole salad in a day. Plus, with Dr. Goldner, she talks about how much vegetables we need. And so I'll eat the salad and I'll eat a smoothie. So I'm gonna show you this salad, and my husband will talk a little bit about what he put in this salad. And then I'm gonna show you the smoothie. And then, I'm like, I know I got all my all my nutrients in for the day. So this is just me recommending something nice for you all. Okay, here we go. Ready? Let's go. Here's the salad.
Okay, so what we have in this salad, we have some romaine lettuce, some baby spinach. I've got red and green onions, red and yellow and orange sweet bell peppers. We've got cucumber, and then we have a bunch of microgreens. I've got bean sprouts in there. I have kale microgreens, broccoli microgreens, cilantro microgreens, arugula microgreens, alfalfa, broccoli, and kale sprouts, and alfalfa sprouts. And let me see, what else do I have in there? I put some broccoli flowerets are in this salad, and I think that's about it for this one. And just want to let you know that to always remember that it's not the food in your life, it's the life in your food.
Yes.
And there's life in this food. All these things are alive as we ate them, and that's when they're most nutritious, is when they're still living. There you go.
So we're living people, and so we need to put live food in our body. All right, so I'm going to show you about the smoothie. So this is where we eat the salad in a day. We'll eat our salad around 3-4 o'clock, no later than 6 o'clock in the evening. But then otherwise, we're sipping on our smoothies throughout the day and drinking lots of water. One thing about the smoothie, we need so much water in a day. When you put your water in your smoothie, if you're like someone's like, I got to drink water and vegetables. Well, when you put your water in your smoothie, that counts for some of your water too. All right, so let's get ready. Let me show you the smoothie, and then we're going to go back to eating that salad. Okay, so this is her juice, her smoothie, which she's been teaching people. This is Dr. Goldner's smoothie, where she's been using to teach people how to heal themselves. It's amazing. So she says, number one is you need to eat at least a pound of greens. This is a 2-pound bag here. So we're not going to use the whole bag. I'm going to use less than half because I'm also going to put some spinach in it. Because one thing we don't do is we don't get enough greens in our body. And when we do get greens and kale, how many of you cook your greens and kale? I'm going to show you some recipes on how to eat good greens and kale raw. And it's going to be so delicious. Okay? So the first thing you want to do is you want to put your kale in here and you want to pack it. You want to make sure that you're getting your pound in. Now, the reason why you pack it because you want to make sure you get at least a pound in, and you want to make sure you don't leave any air in, so you want to pack it really tight. Now, another thing is, if you can't do this much smoothie a day, that's fine. Do the smoothie and your salad. Make sure you put kale in your salad if you have kale, but make sure you get a lot of greens in there. And this way you'll get a combination of both. Because sometimes it's hard for people to eat salad, and then sometimes people are like, ooh, I can't get down that smoothie. But the kale and the green cruciferous vegetables, that's what they use to heal. That's what heals your body. The fruit, we're going to put some fruit in here, so it's going to taste a little good, but the fruit helps you get your medicine down. So I'm going to put about that much kale. So what we want to do is we want to fill this up with 75% of cruciferous vegetables. Okay? Spinach really isn't that much of a cruciferous vegetable, but spinach is good for you too. So I'm going to put a little bit more cruciferous on top. And you want to just make sure you're packing it down. Okay? You're going to get everything. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of kale. Sure it is, but when you're drinking it, not that much. How many of you get smoothie? So now, after you put your smoothie in, then that's 75% vegetables. Then you're gonna put in 25% of your fruits. Now use fresh fruits. I like to use frozen. This is a frozen packet, and this has a little bit of banana, strawberries. It actually has some asparagus in it, so I'm gonna put that in there. But we know that bananas are the thing. So you want to put a banana in there, make it as ripe as possible, because the riper it is, the sweeter it is. Give you a little bit of sweetness. So I'm going to put one banana in there. I put two, but I'm just going to put one because I don't particularly like it super sweet. Then you're going to take your water, and you're going to fill your water up to the vegetable line. So where you ended your cruciferous vegetables, that is where you're going to put the water line to, because you're going to have this nice and thick. So I'm going to fill that up to that line. Okay, put a little bit of more water in there. I need to grab a little bit more water. Hold on, let me grab a little bit more water. I'm using spring water. Okay, so here we're going to put a little bit, make sure we put enough water to fill it up to the vegetable line. A little bit more. That will do it. And then this is where's the good brain food. This is where our good omegas come in. So we're going to put a 1/4 cup of flaxseed. Yay! You want to get your flaxseed in here. So we're going to put a 1/4 cup of flaxseed in there. And this is where the magic begins. Okay? Put it on the smoothie blender. And we're going to blend away. Like it's pretty thick. So I could sip on this throughout the day. I'm gonna have a little bit with my dinner. I'll have some for breakfast. I'll drink it in the morning, drink it in the evening, and just sip on it. Let's see what this tastes like. And sometimes you may taste it and be like, oh, I just need a little bit more sugar, a little bit more, a little sweeter, because you're getting your medicine down. That's a lot of greens. Let's see. Now I like it. Could I have put another banana? It'd have been a little bit better if the banana was a little sweeter, a little riper, but a little better if the banana was a little ripe. But this is still good. The bottom line is health. And I think a lot of times what we've done is we put our taste over our health. It's like, oh, it doesn't taste good. Oh, this tastes so good, I want to eat more. Just because it tastes good doesn't mean it's good for you, right? It's like, oh, I want to eat more because it's good for me. So what I recommend, this is really good. Check out Dr. Goldner. She's amazing. And please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel so I can give you some more of this. But right now, in addition to drinking this, I'm getting ready to grub on the salad. I want to show you the salad, which we're about to get down.
You forgot to record?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to get down on the salad. I put some pepperoncinis in here, a little bit of kimchi on the side, and some jalapenos in addition to what you see earlier, and then some bean sprouts. So I'm trying to stay away from oils, but I did put a little bit of this Tuscan olive oil on here. This Tuscan herb, this is really delicious. And then some dark balsamic vinegar, delicious, little sweet taste. This is so good, so we'll mix this up in there. Grab a little bite. It's really fresh. And you get to taste all the different flavors. So remember, just if you don't, I'm not saying cut away, because I know we have been brought up traditionally to have our good old soul food. Now, this is what really is food for the soul. All right? Thanks. Talk to you later. Peace. Don't forget, like and subscribe.